Looking to upgrade your toolbox without breaking the bank? Home Depot has some solid weekly tool deals right now, covering everything from power tool combo kits to must-have hand tools. Below is a quick, easy-to-follow list. Deals and highlights. DeWalt 20 volts max brushless 4-tool combo kit, $369. A versatile 4-tool kit: drill, driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, oscillating multi-tool. Good for general home renovation and heavy-duty DIY. Milwaukee M18 5-tool combo kit, $299. Includes a drill driver, impact driver, circular saw, recip saw, and work light, ideal for jobs requiring multiple tool types. Milwaukee M18 compact brushless 2-tool combo kit, $179. A more compact, affordable drill plus impact combo, practical for everyday home or job site tasks. RYOBI 18 volts 1+6 tool combo kit, $199. A strong all-around set from RYOBI if you want a budget-friendly but comprehensive tool collection. RYOBI 18 volts 1+2 tool combo kit, circular saw plus jig saw, $89. A budget-friendly saw combo, good if you mostly need cutting tools. RIDGID 18 volts cordless 2-tool combo kit, $99. Solid entry-level drill plus driver kit, a good starting point for basic projects. Husky 94-piece mechanics tool set, $49.97. A great basic mechanics, hand tool set for general maintenance and repairs. RIDGID 18 volts brushless 2-tool combo kit, $229. A more powerful drill plus impact combo using brushless motors, helpful for heavier duty work. These Home Depot deals change fast, so if you see something you like, don't wait too long. I'll be keeping an eye on new weekly specials and bringing you the best discounts as they drop. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next round of tool deals and savings.